Alright, so a few people have asked about electric power steering. This is my setup. There's a few ways to do it. Mine's mounted in the boot. Basically 12 volts from the battery to a circuit breaker. I think I'm using 80 amps circuit breaker, and then some wiring to some switches. It's just a manual switch in my case, and you've got your fluid that goes into there, and some lines that run through, two lines. There's a return and a pressure side. The bracket here is a factory Holden Astra bracket, and it's boot mounted. So pretty simple, two lines, both -6 AN in size, that go under the car. It basically plumbs into the power steering rack, the factory one. There are some fittings you can buy. Speed flow is what I'm using. I've got the part numbers, but you eliminate the power steering rack normally found at the front, and you don't need to run a belt. You can switch it on and off, and yeah, it seems to do the job. I'll just show you how it works. So, power steering, can't turn it, stationary, engine's not running. I've got here's the circuit breaker, so power steering, 70 amps, sorry. That basically runs to the boot, that's the larger wire. Anyway, I've got a factory power steering button which changes it from normal to sport. I'm not sure how it worked on the factory Mitsubishi Galant, but I'll press that button and you can start to hear it. You should be able to hear it. Sounds a bit like a jet. That's it there. It's firing up. Takes about 10 seconds. But once it's fired up, you can see engine's not running, but I can turn it easily, one finger. Off it goes. Turn it, no way. So that's really the setup, nice and simple. On and off manually. You could probably make it smarter and use some speed cuts and all that sort of stuff, ECU triggers, but in my case, on the street I'll turn it on. For parking I'll turn it on. Going down the quarter mile, turn it off. So that's really it.